up to 29,649 rupees with your reward points. So I'll do this. So you can see the right side adding up. So I got all my hotel stays in Europe worth 1,24,000 rupees for 16 nights, 17 days, free of cost, just by using points of my Atlas credit card and also Regalia Gold credit card. Because of these two credit cards, guys, I got my entire stay free. And how to convert miles, what is exactly Accor platform, and how you can make use of your points, your own points. Many people don't even know how to make use of the Regalia Gold points and Axis Atlas points. I'll be explaining by sharing my screen everything in this video. So all you have to do is sit back and grab a coffee and watch this video. So first I'll tell you, from Regalia Gold, if you have 1000 points, let's say you have 1000 points, it gets converted to Accor at a 2:1 ratio, means 500 Accor points. Similarly, if you have Axis Atlas, if you have the same 1000 points, it will get converted at 1:2 ratio to Accor points, that is 2000 Accor points. So having Atlas is obviously more powerful than having Regalia Gold. But if you have a lot of points on Regalia Gold, I think comparing all the options, even if you want to book flight tickets or something within the Smart Buy portal, it is again divided by 0.5 only. Like if you have 1000 points, you can redeem up to 0.5, that is 500 rupees only you can redeem when you are booking flights. But using Accor will give you more benefit, because using Atlas to book your flights will give you 5x points on all partner websites, like for example Indigo, Etihad, Emirates. If you use this particular card Atlas on those websites itself, you will get 5x points. So no need to worry about regretting that why you didn't use Smart Buy portal and use your Regalia Gold. So please remember that. And one more important thing is, there is no restriction. You can transfer from any number of cards to Accor. You have to create an Accor account first and then provide those account details into Regalia Gold when you are converting, and that is a very easy process which I am going to show you on the screen. So without wasting any time, guys, we'll go to our screen. But just before this, please do hit that subscribe button and support my channel, because it doesn't matter like how much time or how much length or where this channel is actually reached, guys. Your support can only be shown by subscribing to the channel, which will motivate me and give me that factor to make more interesting videos like this. Now without wasting any time, let's go to my screen. So I have opened my Regalia Gold Smart Buy portal. How I opened this portal is, if you go to Google and type Smart Buy Regalia Gold, click on the first link. Again, there are a lot of fraudulent links, guys. Click on the first link and open Regalia Gold Home. You can see this is my card, and I have hidden my card number, and I have basically 799 reward points, because I transferred all of my points last month to Accor, which I'll cover in a minute. So here, if you go to my rewards, you will see miles transfer. Now click on the miles transfer and click on proceed. So once you go to miles transfer, you will see all Accor loyalty program. Just click on this convert now, and here you will see my account number and my name, my first name and last name, and I will click on confirm. And here membership ID I have hidden obviously, and full name, and 1 point equals to 0.5 all Accor reward points. Now for example, I have 799 points, guys. So I will hit 700 points for example, and I will get 350 points, which is converted at 2:1 ratio. But Axis Bank Atlas, if you have 700 points, it will be converted to 1400 all Accor reward points. That's why Axis Atlas is one of the most powerful cards that you should be using when you want to convert to all Accor reward points. But the problem and the unfortunate thing is, Axis Atlas has been discontinued for new customers, and only Regalia Gold is available. I've even added to buy this Regalia Gold or to purchase Regalia Gold credit card in the description below. If you click on that link, you may be initially eligible for 400 to 500 reward entry points based on terms and conditions. So here, if I give my email address and if I click on terms and conditions and I click on convert now, then it will be converted to Accor points. Now I will forget about this Smart Buy for a minute. Let's assume this has been converted to Accor. Now if I go to Accor portal, this is my Accor portal, guys, and if I select the drop down, you can see my status is classic and I have reward points of 58,250, which means I can book hotels up to 58,250 rupees in Accor portal itself. Now before we go to Accor portal, I want to show you my point statement. So I'll click on point statement, and here you can see in 2026 for HDFC India, I have booked 13,650 points, which means I had close to 27,000 Regalia points. Like if I say 27,000 Regalia points, 13,500. So almost 13, I have transferred around 27,000 Regalia points, which is converted to 13,650 Accor points. And in 2025 from Axis Atlas, I converted around 43,600 points and 1000 points for testing purpose. So this much I have done already. Already have converted so many points, and I got my Europe hotels completely free. I had another 1,42,000 points which I converted last year and completely used them for my Europe trip. Also we use my wife's card as well for the same purpose. She has also a lot of points, and we booked majority of the European hotels through her same procedure where you're converting from Axis Atlas to Accor points. Now you are in Accor homepage, and let's give an example on how to actually redeem points. Now I select Munich and I select the dates. So Munich, Germany, I select the dates as February 11th to February 14th. I will make guest as to a couple for this example, and it will list me one of the hotels. So I am going to choose something between below 58,000 guys. So this is good, 29,000. So I am going to select the hotel. Now once I select the hotel, you can see, just click on see the rooms, and this is coming in my budget. So I am going to select this, choose this room, and I am going to select flexible rate because anyhow I have 56,000 something points. So I'm selecting book one room. It is taking a bit of time. Accor is always a bit tangy. So skip this step. And nationality, I will just select Indian, and number I will not give. Maybe if it is asking, then I will give. For the video purpose, billing address Jayanagara, Bengaluru. Zip code 560070 and city again Bengaluru. And I would like to confirm, and I click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, then you will see pay up to 29,649 rupees with your reward points. So I'll do this. So you can see the right side adding up. So I have to pay by hand. This is all you can add based on the criteria. You can add only 2,000 points at a time. So if it doesn't meet the criteria guys, points will be redeemed with 14,000 reward points are redeemed, and 29,649 rupees have been saved, and you need to pay including taxes is 2,657 rupees 90 paise is all you have to pay. Either you can make the payment here, or if you are booking flexi option, you can pay this amount in the hotel reception itself. And this is pretty much it on how you can transfer your points from Regalia Gold or Atlas to your Accor points and use this in your Accor points to save money in the form of hotels. Now this is very, very important and crucial step. Many people have 1,000 or 1 lakh, 2 lakh points, but they don't know how to use it exactly. And this is one of the best ways to use it. Not only in Munich, Germany, you can use it anywhere in the world, including India, including Bangalore. So there is no doubt about this, guys. So I hope this was very, very helpful to you. Now I'll go back to my video. So as you saw in my video, guys, that is a very, very simple process to understand how to transfer your points between your Atlas card and your Regalia Gold credit card. This is very, very simple process. But again, one downside is you cannot apply to Atlas card anymore because it is discontinued by Axis Bank. It has been devaluated. But yes, for people who are holding Atlas, kindly do not release the Atlas card or do not surrender or cancel this Atlas card, because it will play a very, very huge role in terms of partnership with Accor. So I hope this video was very, very helpful. Again, share this video to all those people who are looking for the same thing like this, who has a lot of points and not sure what to do about it. This video is a game changer and it will help them really, really well. So I'll catch you guys in my next video.